Tonight, another barrage of Russian strikes leaving parts of Ukraine, including the capital city of Kyiv, in the dark. Ukraine's President Zelenskyy says a third of the country's power stations have been destroyed by the recent Russian onslaught, causing massive blackouts. It's really cold. I'm sleeping in my clothes in my apartment. President Zelenskyy condemning the Russian attacks as terrorism, writing on Twitter, no space left for negotiations with Putin's regime. The Kremlin's new wave of Iranian-made drone missiles have been targeted at residential areas in Ukraine, resulting in civilian deaths and injuries. Firefighters scrambling to rescue survivors.
It's genocide of Ukrainian population. They want to destroy our critical infrastructure. They do want to kill civilians.
Ukrainian forces fighting back. Local Air Force officials say they've used air defense missiles to shoot down 37 out of the 43 drone missiles Russia recently launched. Western intelligence officials believe Iran has been supplying Russia with the weaponized drones.
The shift in strategy on the part of the Russians is because they're losing on the ground. The Russians cannot win on the battlefield against the Ukrainians.
NATO today promising to deliver anti-drone systems to help Ukraine's military.
So we will continue to vigorously enforce all U.S. sanctions on both the Russian and Iranian arms trade, make it harder for Iran to sell these weapons to Russia.
In the meantime, Russia's military now suggests the fighter jet that crashed into a residential apartment complex in southern Russia was due to an aircraft malfunction. At least 15 people, including children, have been reportedly killed. In Washington, Faith Abube, ABC News.